Whether you're looking to execute a 1031 exchange or you're interested in alleviating the headache of managing your own property, Realized can help you mitigate your risk through diversification and amplify your long-term investment potential with a custom tax-optimized real estate portfolio. Exchange individual properties for a diversified portfolio of professionally managed real estate interests that spreads your investment across property types, location, and managers to mitigate risk. Compare and evaluate properties, build a customized real estate portfolio, and keep track of your investments moving forward. You can even renew your investments after their life cycle or offer to sell them early in the Realized marketplace. Realized offers personalized service from a team of unbiased professionals with over 100 years of combined experience. Because at Realized, we do more than facilitate a transaction. We help you build a custom, tax-optimized real estate portfolio that grants you freedom from traditional landlord tasks while giving you the tools to help realize your financial goals. Take the steps today to set the groundwork for the prospect of a more confident future tomorrow. For more information, contact us or visit us online at realized1031.com.